started. So now begin with making a slip knot. Make a chain that reaches until 6 inches. Yarn over and pull through in that loop in the hook. That is our first chain. 2, 3. I have here a chain of 26 in total, and now we're going to make 1 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. So let's count 1, 2, insert your hook there, grab that yarn and pull. 2 loops in your hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. That is our first single crochet, and we're going to make 1 single crochet per stitches until the last chain. Insert your hook, grab that yarn again and pull through 2 loops in your hook, and making 1 single crochet per stitches or per chain until the first chain we have made. And this reaches 6 inches long. Our chain 26 reaches 6 inches long. But if you want to make it longer or wider and bigger triangle, then you can add more chain. So we are working from the bottom of the triangle up to the tip. I am here in my last stitch. I will make my last single crochet there. And this is your work should look like for your round 2. Round 3, chain 1, turn your work around and make 1 single crochet in the back loop only. Insert your hook in the first stitch in the back loop only. This one, make 1 single crochet. Make 1 single crochet per stitches in the back loop only, grabbing that loop in the back. Make 1 single crochet and repeat that until the last stitch. Here, this is how it look like. So round 4 we're going to decrease. Chain 1, turn your work around, and here in the first stitch insert your hook in the back loop only. That one, insert your hook, grab that yarn and pull. So now you have 2 loops in your hook. Go to the next stitch and repeat. In the back loop only, grab that yarn and pull. 3 loops in your hook. Yarn over and pull through all the loops in your hook. And this is our decrease, our first decrease. So now I'm going to make 1 single crochet in the back loop only. Until the last or the second last stitch. Until the second last stitch. So go ahead, do that. And I'm gonna meet you once I am in the second last stitch. I am in my last stitch. I'm gonna make my last back loop, 1 single crochet in the back loop only. I repeat round 4. So as you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches left, and then I'm going to chain 1, turn, and keep decreasing until you get to 1 stitch left. I have 3 stitches left, and we keep decrease again, chain 1 and turn, decrease, one stitch, go to that and make 1 single crochet in the back loop, chain 1. So as you can see, we have 2 stitches left, so just decrease the rest of that. So insert your hook, grab a yarn and pull, go to the next stitch or last, grab that yarn and pull 3 loops in your hook, yarn over and pull through all that loops in your hook. So I am decreasing until I get to 1 stitch left, and this is your work should look like this. You can see easier. This is about 7.5 inches long, and the finished item is almost 5.5 inches wide. So now chain 1, and then so now I'm going to chain 1, pull and cut the yarn and secure the remaining stitch. So this one here, I will just hide this yarn here at the bottom. And then I'm gonna cut that yarn. That's it. And here I will make a slip knot. I'm gonna make this in a half first. I'm going to divide this yarn here like this, and I'm going to insert my hook in the last stitch or anywhere near to that remaining yarn, and then grab it and pull, then make a few knots, and it's easier for you to secure it. It's up to you how you want to secure your stitches. For me, it's easier this way. So now I will put them together and tie the rest of that yarn just like that. Very easy. Very easy. And now I'm going to make more of this. So go ahead, make a lot of this, how many you want it, it's up to you. And I'm gonna meet you once I'm done. As you can see, I have made a few of this. I just use all the scraps I have here, scrap yarns. So I have different sizes because I use different size of yarns I have left here, which is fine for me. So if you want to use the same size, then you use the same size of the yarn you're using. So now we're going to connect them together. I have here white yarn. You can choose whatever color you like to connect this all together. We're gonna pick up a color. I will start with a gray one, and then here in the first stitch I will insert my hook and then make a slip knot of the white yarn or the color you prefer, and then grab that and pull. Now chain 1, and in the same stitch make 1 single crochet, just like that, and then 1 single crochet per stitches all the way to the last stitch. All the way to here. And here I am in my last stitch. I'm gonna make my last single crochet there. So very simple. I'm gonna take the other here in the first stitch of this one, the lighter color here, insert your hook in the first stitch here, and then make 1 single crochet there. So we just continue making 1 single crochet per stitches. So I just make 1 single crochet per stitches until the last stitch. So this is just how we connect the stitch. making one single crochet, continuing making one single crochet per stitches, piece by piece. If you know how to connect these two together, you can follow it, then it is easier for you. And here I am in my last stitch. Place your one single crochet there. Then I'll take the blue one, darker blue, and then continue, insert your hook in the first stitch and make one single crochet. Very easy to connect these together. And there you go, this is how I connected. And once you're done connecting them all together, I will make a chain of one, pull tight, and this time I will cut the yarn. And there you go, we will just secure the remaining stitch